Hey guys, welcome to another episode of Let's Go with Gino. Today's going to be a special video because I got my friends Andres and Arnold. Hello! Because we're making s'mores dip. We wanted to make real s'mores, but we can't because it's way too windy, so we can't have it fun. So we're making s'mores dip. So this is how we make it. So we're spreading a layer of marshmallows on the bottom of the pan. So first step.
Now use the entire chocolate. Spit it out.
Make sure you wash your hands before you do this.
Yes.
Oh.
Okay, now use the entire rest of the bowl.
Now use the rest of the marshmallows and make sure it covers all the chocolate.
So it's like a sandwich.
Yeah,
exactly.
It's like a sandwich.
It's a s'mores sandwich.
Yeah. Next step, get the wingage.
Do it.
Grown up, turn on the stove to a low heat. And make sure that you have parent supervision for this whole process.
Yeah.
Because there is a risk of you burning or hurting yourself.
Make sure that you have up-to-date health insurance, life insurance.
Now it's ready. We're going to take it off the stove.
Hey!
We're going to eat it.
Okay, first taste test. One bite each.
I've never had this before, and this looks so good, and it smells so good. Like, it looks like stretchable chocolate.
Yeah, it does.
Oh,
Oh,
it's so hot.
I mean, guys, I think this is breathtaking.
If you took a Rice Krispie treat and you covered it in chocolate and you took out the crispiness, so pretty much just marshmallows and chocolate, that's what it would taste like.
Oh, this is so good.
That's
You know what it is? It's fantastic.
But
It's Comment down below what you want to see next week. And subscribe and leave a like.
Yes.
See you next time on Let's Grow with Gino.
hello.
Wait, is it still filming?
Hi,
Here, Gage, I'm gonna see.
There might be some like fast
Fast
forwarding.
forward
you guys
this.
want here.
Have a grown-up turn the oven to low.
It's one burner.
Okay.
You're not the right grown-up for this job.
Fast forward to this part. Oh, are we
Just
gonna-
locked in.
Page over in the back.
Oh, hi, bud. Hi, bud. Shout out. Shout out. Shout out.
Cooking is awesome. Do it. Do it.
Bye.
That was an absolute